Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Statesman newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 8, 2023. Fourth hour Sudoku. 8th grade. We have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. Column B, we already have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come here another cells, we will confirm later. 10th row, column I, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 8, and 9th row also we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 7. It will come here one of the cells, we will confirm later. 10th row, we have 7 and 5, so 7 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come here another two cells. Column C, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in another two cells, we will confirm later. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come here another two cells, we will confirm later. Then 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column D and 5th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 will come here another cells, we will confirm later. Column D, column B, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells. Third row also we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 6. Third row and first grade, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells. 10th row and 7th grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column D and 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Third row, column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 1, 7. It will come here one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Sixth row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. Second grade, we already have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column F, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. Second grade, column I, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column G, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 8. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 9, 2. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column I, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 9, 8. Second row, we have 4 and 9, so 4 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells. Fifth row, we already have 4, So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Then the column H, only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Then third grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column I, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Then column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 6, it will come here one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column E, column F, 6th row, 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 2. Column E also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5. 7th row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column E, you already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 6th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 9. 5th row, 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th row, we have 6 and 5, so 6 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 1 and 7, so 1 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.